Good afternoon all. So today we'll study the next assignment, which is assignment number 10 from the PPS. So here the 10th assignment is we need to take the input from the user side, and we are taking the binary number from the user side, and after that we are going to convert it into the decimal number. So here suppose this one is your input. We have taken this 10100 number from the user side. As it is a binary, it contains 0 and 1 only. After that, what we need to do, we need to multiply this number 0. We need to convert this number into the decimal number. For the conversion, we need to multiply this 0 by 2 raised to 0, this 0 by 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, and 2 raised to 4. And after that, we are going to perform the addition of all of this number. So first, 0 into 2 raised to 0, the value will be 0 only. 0 into 2 raised to 1, value will be 0 only. 1 into 2 raised to 2, 1 into 4, the value is 4 here. After that 0, 0 into 2 raised to 3 means 0 into 8, the value will be again 0 only. 1 into 2 raised to 4 means 1 into 16, the value will be 16. Okay, so the addition, we need to perform the addition of all of these four numbers. The addition will be 20. So the conversion of this binary number into the decimal, it is given as a 20. Now we need to perform it by using the Python. So firstly, we need to take the input from the user side. So whatever the input you are taking from the user side, suppose that number is given in num variable, enter binary number. Now here what we need to do, we are going to multiply this string, this number from the back side, right? So here what we need to do, we need to reverse this number firstly, and after that we are going to multiply it by 2 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Okay, so to reverse, at the starting we are taking the input from the user side, but it is in a string format, as we need to reverse this string. So number 1 is suppose another string in which you are going to reverse this string here. By using this formula, we are going to reverse this string, this one, colon colon -1 means it will reverse that string. Okay, now what we need to do here, we need to multiply this 0 into the reverse string. Here you will get the reverse string like this. Okay, 0 0 1 0 1. Now we can multiply it by 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, like this. Okay, so here you will require the for loop for the multiplication for I in a range. The range will be taken as the length of the string num1. Okay, so we'll write it down here like length of the string num1. Then what we need to do, we need to convert the string into the integer format, and while doing this you are going to perform this multiplication and addition also. So here suppose you will require one more keyword, 0 decimal is equal to, at the starting the value for that decimal is 0. Suppose we need to convert it into the integer format, so decimal is equal to integer decimal, we need to write it down. After that we are going to add this number, we need to add all of this number now, that's why we have taken this decimal plus this number is nothing but that number strings 0th location, 1st location, 2nd, 3rd and the 4th location from that string. So we'll consider it as a num1 I location. Okay, now we need to convert that string into the integer here. So we are going to convert it into the integer so that we can multiply this number by 2 raised to I. At the starting, this for loop will start with the 0. 2 raised to ith location means we'll multiply this number by 0, after that by 1, after that by 2, then 3 and then 4. Okay, and the addition of all of these number will be done by using this plus decimal plus this number. Okay, at the end we are going to print the decimal number here. After completing this for loop, we'll print the decimal number. Decimal number is stored in this variable decimal. Okay, now run this program. We'll take the same input from the user side 10100. Suppose 10100. It is the input you have taken from the user side, and the conversion of this number into the decimal is given as a 20. It is giving you a correct output. Okay, thank you.